Hey guys, Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, I want to talk about ProArgi pricing. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. If you are a user of ProArgi, then you know how great it is at delivering nitric oxide therapy. What you may not know is that the pricing for ProArgi bought through an authorized distributor is now lower than any place online. A large size equaling 210 servings is only $240 plus shipping and sales tax. Compare that to Amazon pricing for only 180 servings at a cost of $300. If you are serious about your health, then the large size of ProArgi is really the only way to go. It is much more economical per serving and gives you the ability to take a larger amount per day for a longer period of time. Give me a call or text me at 609-410-4790 and I can set you up with ProArgi at the best price and from an authorized ProArgi distributor.